Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and that iCloud is signed in on this iPhone. You need an active account. Once done, open Settings and view Apple ID iCloud to check your current iCloud storage, percentage, and local free space. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi and plugged into power so the change and any uploads complete reliably. Also initiate an immediate backup so you can restore if anything goes wrong. This prepares you to increase storage safely. Now upgrade your plan. In iCloud settings, tap Manage Storage or Change Storage Plan. Choose the tier you need, 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB, and confirm purchase with your Apple ID. Once active, enable iCloud Photos, iCloud Backup, and the app toggles you want synced so data moves to iCloud automatically. Then set Photos to optimize iPhone storage to keep smaller local versions. This shifts space usage off your device and makes the new storage effective immediately. Finish by verifying that Photos show uploaded status and that iCloud Backup displays the latest timestamp. Make sure apps reflect the updated storage totals. If sync stalls, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, then restart the iPhone. This often reboots the sync engine. If billing or purchase failures occur, you can contact Apple support or request a plan refund within the billing window. Remember, this is the only built-in way to increase usable storage without changing hardware, so confirm uploads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.